Hare Krishna everyone. In this Bhagavad Gita series, I am going to tell you the deep meaning life lessons with the example of Bhagavad Gita verses. So, Bhagavad Gita is not just a religious book but a guide for a life. It is a conversation between Lord Krishna and Arjuna where Krishna teaches us how to face the challenges, do our duty with the honesty, stay calm in tough times, and live with the purpose. Then let's get started to learn Bhagavad Gita chapter 1, which is Arjuna Visudha Yoga of verse 1, in which Dhritarashtra said, O Sanjaya, after gathering on the holy land of Kurukshetra, desiring to fight, what did my sons and the sons of Pandu do? This is a small verse, but it has a deep meaning and life lessons, which is inner conflict between right and wrong. Kurukshetra symbolizes not just a physical battlefield, but the field of dharma, righteousness within each of us. The Kauravas represent ego, attachment, and adharma, while Pandavas represent righteousness, truth, and dharma. Every human faces an internal war between selfish desires and moral duties. Life application is that in the moments of ethical conflict, reflect, am I acting like a Kaurava that is ego driven or like a Pandavas which is a duty bound? For that, suppose we take an example like you find a wallet full of a cash on the road. There is an ID card inside. Here, you should choose honesty over selfish gain. Choosing dharma builds a character and a inner strength. That means Dhritarashtra's question reflects not just an external war, but the inner war and his attachment to his sons versus righteousness of the Pandavas, showing the battle between emotion and duty. And second thing that we learn from this verse, which is biased attachment, cloud judgment. That means Dhritarashtra uses the word mamakaha, that means my sons, for Kauravas, but distances himself from Pandavas. His blind love for his sons leads to partiality and injustice. So, life application will be aware of emotional bias. Treat right and wrong fairly, even when those involved are your own. Favoritism in a family, work, or society leads to destruction. Like suppose we take an example like a school teacher is evaluating final exam papers. Her nephew is in the same class and his answers are incorrect but still gives high marks. That means her personal attachment led her to be unfair, compromising justice and trust. Just like Dhritarashtra, who supported his own sons despite their wrongdoings, attachment led to unjust decisions and ultimately a war. Third thing that we learn from this verse is the battlefield of life is sacred. Kurukshetra is also called Dharmakshetra, a sacred place where duty is performed. Life itself is a Kurukshetra where every action is a battle of a choice. The life application will be like view your responsibilities, that means jobs, family, society, as a sacred duty, not a burden. Like, suppose you are in a job where your manager asks you to make fake reports to impress clients. If you refuse, you may lose a promotion or even your job. You choose to speak the truth, report the unethical request, and stand by your principles even if it's tough. Every tough situation that tests your values is a sacred battlefield because your soul grows through right action. That means by calling Kurukshetra a Dharmakshetra, remind us that life's struggle are not just a physical battles, but a sacred opportunities to uphold truth, duty, and righteousness. Fourth thing that we learn from this verse is that curiosity to know the truth. Dhritarashtra, though blind, asks Sanjaya to describe what he cannot see. It shows his desires to know, albeit with the worry. So, life application will be even if you feel helpless, seek truth and awareness. Asking questions and being open to truth is the first step toward inner growth. Like, suppose a child looks at the night sky and asks, why do stars shine? His curiosity leads her to love astronomy. One day, he becomes a scientist and help others to understand the universe. These small questions lead to great discoveries and personal growth. That means Dhritarashtra's question to Sanjaya shows his curiosity and concern, a deep desire to know the truth of what is unfolding, reflecting, and it is the first step towards self awareness. Summarizing all the points that we learn from this verse, first one is that inner war between right and wrong. That means life constantly tests our ability to choose between ego and conscience. Second thing, the danger of attachment and partiality. That means blind love or bias can lead to poor decisions and inner conflict. The next thing is seeing life as a sacred responsibility. That means every challenge is an opportunity to uphold the truth and dharma. The next thing, which is importance of self-inquiry and awareness. That means asking honest questions help us to grow and make wiser choices. So, this is all we learn from this verse 1. So, I am ending this session with this note: we have only one life. Let's learn the core values from the Bhagavad Gita, apply them in our actions, grow morally and spiritually, and strive to become a better each day. In doing so, we more closer to true peace and lasting happiness. Thank you and Hare Krishna.